Good morning all of you. Now today's topic is trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. For this what I will do, I will take a right angle triangle. Suppose this is a right angle triangle, right angle at C. This is A point, this is B point. Clear? Now you know that sum of all the angles, that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C is how much? 180 degrees. Suppose angle B I have taken theta. So in place of angle B, I will write theta. Angle C is 90 degree equal to 180 degree. Angle A as it is. So from this, what is the value of angle A? 180 minus 90 minus theta. That means angle A is 90 minus theta. So this angle is how much? 90 minus theta. This angle is 90 minus theta. Now see, in triangle ABC now, in triangle ABC, if I take out the value of sine B, now you know what is sine? Sine is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So what is the perpendicular here? AC is the perpendicular, AB is the hypotenuse. So what will come? AC upon AB. Now B angle I have taken theta. So that means sine theta value is AC upon AB. Equation number 1. Similarly, in the same triangle, if I take out the value of cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. Base is BC, hypotenuse is AB. So it will be BC upon AB. This is equation number 2. From the same triangle, if I take out the value of tan theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. That is AC upon BC. AC upon BC. This is equation number 3rd. So these are the values of sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. Now what I will do in the second part, what I will do, I will take this as the angle A. So if I take out the value of sine of A now when I say sine of A is this angle. So this is the perpendicular, this is the base now. So what is the value of sine A? Perpendicular BC upon AB. BC upon AB. But in place of A, we can write 90 minus theta. So we can say that sine 90 minus theta is also BC upon AB. This is equation number say 4. In the same way, cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta. Cos is base upon hypotenuse. Now this is the base. For this will act as base and this will act as perpendicular. Hypotenuse will remain same. I have written with red ink. So 90 minus theta. Base is AC, hypotenuse is AB. So AC upon AB. AC upon AB. And similarly, if I take out the value of tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta. So what is the value of tan 90 minus theta? Tan is again perpendicular upon base, BC upon AC. BC upon AC. So this is equation number 5. This is equation number 6. Clear? Now in equation number 6, if I take the value, if I take the reciprocal, that means if I take AC upon BC, AC upon BC, then tan reciprocal is cot. So I will write here cot 90 minus theta as AC upon BC. This is equation number 7. So I have taken out 7 equations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now if you observe carefully, see equation number 1, right hand side AC upon AB, and this is also AC upon AB. Both are same thing. So we can compare equation number 1 and 5. Can we compare equation number 1 and 5? So you write on comparing equation number 1 and 5. 1 and 5. We can say that sine theta value will be equal to cos 90 minus theta because the right hand sides are same. So what is the first formula? Sine theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta. Similarly, we can compare equation number 2 and equation number 4. 2 and 4. BC upon AB, BC upon AB. So what we can write? that cos theta equal to sin 90 minus theta. Cos theta equal to sin 90 minus theta. In the same way, we can compare equation number 3 and equation number 7, AC upon BC, AC upon BC. So what we'll get? Tan theta. Tan theta equals to cot 90 minus theta. So these are the three results of complementary angle, that sin 90 minus theta is, sin theta is cos 90 minus theta, cos theta is sin 90 minus theta, tan theta is cot 90 minus theta. Similarly, you can also say that, we can say that opposite of them, sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, and cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. And one more result is there, sec 90 minus theta. Sec will convert into cosec, and cosec will convert into sec. So these are the 6 results. It will be sec theta. So these are the 6 results. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry, 8 results are there. So cot 90 minus theta, tan theta, or you can write one more result, that tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta is also cot theta. So from here we conclude that sin 90 minus theta is cos, and reverse, cos 90 minus theta is sin. Then tan 90 minus theta is cot, cot 90 minus theta is tan. Similarly, sec 90 minus theta is cosec, and cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta. So these are known as the trigonometric ratios of complementary angle. Why we are saying complementary angle? Because theta and 90 minus theta, they form a pair of complementary angles, because the sum theta and 90 minus theta is always 90. So these are the results of complementary angles.